Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we're going to talk about weekly stock market update, and we will figure out is it bull or bear market trend, what's going on with the stock market world. Let's move to VBull. Let's move to VBull, and VBull today. If you want to learn more about VBull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages, white line, it's a MA200, purple line MA100, blue line MA50, yellow line MA20, red line MA10, green line MA5. And red dots, bearish reversal signal, green dots, bullish reversal signal. MACD indicator, green line, red line, signal line, RSI same, red line RSI, and green line, red line signal line, green line RSI line. Awesome oscillator, green bars bullish, red bars bearish. Very simple, it's not easy because of emotions involved. And remember, if you follow indicators do not have emotions. Just follow the market trend. If market change direction, you have to change market direction also. You have to change your direction. That's how simple it is. Don't fight with the market. Okay, let's start it. Weekly time frame. I don't trade on a weekly time frame. For entry and exit position, I use only 4 hours and daily time frame for my swing trading. Weekly and monthly and quarterly, I just monitor the market trend direction. Let's start. As this green line, it's a trend direction from the top of the market. It's a DXY USA dollar for on weekly time frame. USA dollar was it was kind of bearish below when bars below 220 below MA20 below yellow line, it is bearish trend. You see, since November 2022, dollar was below 20. That's when was low was October, right? October, and from that point, October, you see it was low on the market and it was high on the dollar, top on the dollar, and from that point it was bearish trend. Now you see the green bar. We'll see, will it do bullish crossover over 20? If it gets above 20, it will be bullish trend for dollar and it will be bearish for indexes. In October, you see dollar was very far from 20, from yellow line, and far from 200. That's why it did correction. When it's disconnected, it always wants to connect back. When it's a white state like that from 220, it always wants to go and get to the narrow state like this one. That's the like magnet. It comes back and goes out. MACD ready for bullish crossover, no confirmation yet. RSI ready also. Only high awesome oscillator green for last 2 weeks. Nice bullish run, but no very bullish crossover confirmation yet. Let's check daily. For DXY daily, it is already confirmed bullish reversal signal, green dots, bullish reversal, MACD, RSI, awesome oscillator, all indicators bullish. Let's see the last bar. It almost touched MA100. It can be rejected from MA100. It closed, the last bar closed above the major trend line that started from the top of the market. We'll see, bullish on daily time frame, bearish still kind of, on weekly still bearish. Let's move to Qs. Qs, the strongest index from USA indexes. Let's start weekly. Weekly for Qs. Weekly for Qs, it is green line is a major trend line from the top of the market, started 14 months ago, and trend is bullish. You see the last bar, it touched MA100, that purple line 100. It touched 100. Will it be rejected from this line? We'll see. Still bullish trend for last 20 weeks. It's a bullish uptrend. MACD, bearish divergences, MACD histogram, all indicators bullish on weekly time frame for Qs. Bullish, and you see MA20 is this yellow line. It did bearish crossover over 200 in January 2023. previous bearish crossover was in 2008. I was expecting that it's going to be bearish market correction. It will be this year, but so far it did. You see, it was very far here from 20. It came back to 20. Now it did bullish crossover. It moved up. We'll see when market will bring MA20 below 200. When 20 below 200, it's a technically bearish trend. So far, MA20 above 200, it's not a bearish trend yet. We need MA20 to do bearish crossover. That will be bearish trend. So far, it is bullish on all indicators. Let's move to daily. Daily bullish trend on all indicators for Qs with bearish divergences on all indicators. It means Qs wants to have correction, wants to have bearish correction, but no confirmation yet. On weekly time frame, let's move to VXN. Let's see what's going on. VXN daily bearish, and VXN is volatility index for Nasdaq, and weekly it is bearish also. It is bullish for Qs. No changes. SPX, S&P 500, weekly time frame. Still bullish trend. You see MA5, all bars above all moving averages at MA5. Bullish trend on all indicators. SPX, S&P 500 still bullish. MA20, yellow line, didn't do bearish crossover over 200. Last bearish crossover was in 2008. 15 years ago. 15 years ago, last bearish crossover. S&P 500 still positive, still bullish trend, in the bullish territory until MA20 will make bearish crossover. Bullish signal on all indicators on weekly time frame for S&P 500. Let's check daily. Daily it is, daily it's a bearish on all indicators. It's bearish trend for SPX. MA5 still about 10. It's kind of only one moving average is still positive, but all other indicators bearish. And let's move to VIX. VIX volatility index for S&P. Daily time frame. It's kind of mixed mode. 2 indicators bullish, 3 indicators bearish. It's in the mixed mode. Let's check weekly. Weekly VIX. Weekly VIX bearish on all indicators. It is bullish for SPX. It has some bullish divergences on MACD histogram on weekly time frame. Actually, on the this one should be removed. On RSI, there is an RSI bullish divergence also. Let's see. That's what we observe. Let's see on daily what's going on daily. Daily has bullish divergences. Daily has bullish divergences on all indicators. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily. Bearish trend on daily time frame for Dow Jones. Weekly, Dow Jones is still positive, still bullish. Look at that. MA5 still about 10 and 20, still bullish, even bar below. This major trend lines started 14 months ago. And MACD is still green, still bullish. RSI ready for bearish crossover. Heikanaichi bearish. 2 indicators bearish, 3 indicators still bullish. Mixed mode for Dow Jones on weekly time frame. On daily, it's already bearish, right? On daily, it's already bearish on all indicators with bearish divergences. VXD volatility index for Dow Jones. Daily, it's a kind of, yeah, still bullish. It's a bearish for Dow Jones. And weekly, it's a bearish. It's a bullish for Dow Jones on weekly time frame. IWM, daily time frame. Russell 2000 companies. It's a health of USA stock market. Very negative. The weakest index in the USA market, it's a Russell 2000. Russell 2000, look at it. MA20 below 200 on daily time frame. It is bearish. All moving averages below 200. It is bearish trend. Bearish trend on all indicators. On weekly time frame, it is also bearish. Look at it. MA20, 50, all moving averages below 200 except 100. It is bearish. Technically, it's a bearish trend that we observed last time, long time ago. It's a bearish trend for Russell 2000 on weekly time frame. Let's move to Apple. Apple weekly. Apple is strong, similar like weekly time frame Apple. It's strong. Because yeah, it's not correct because yeah, Apple V-Bull doesn't do correction when Apple did split. That's why it's below 200. But okay, let's talk. It's still bullish trend. Bullish trend on all indicators. It should be not below 200. It should be about 200. Still strong. A strong bullish trend on all indicators for Apple on weekly time frame. On daily time frame, Apple still bullish. You see, still bullish, but it has bearish divergences. It wants to have some correction. It has gap left gap, multiple gaps, but still bullish on all indicators on daily and weekly time frame. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla, similar story, daily time frame, it is bullish. Weekly time frame, it is, yeah, it was split, and that's V-Bull doesn't show properly. Unfortunately, splits. Baba weekly time frame. Baba is weak, right? Because weekly time frame, all moving averages below 200. That's why Baba below 200. It's not good, it's negative, it's bearish trend. All moving averages below 200, still bearish trend on weekly time frame for Alibaba Group. Daily time frame for Baba. Daily time frame, it is bullish. It did bullish crossover on all indicators. It is bullish trend for Alibaba Group with bullish divergence. It wants to have some bullish correction. You see, it was price action was flat, and it has bullish divergences on all indicators. It means Alibaba wants to go bullish, wants to have bullish correction. But technically, it's still in bearish territory because 50-20 below 200. Let's move to Nvidia. Nvidia, I added new stock to my watch list. Nvidia on daily time frame, it's still positive on the moving averages, on MACD, on RSI, also later, all indicators bearish except moving averages. Moving averages still positive. We need MA5 to do bearish crossover to get a full bearish crossover confirmation. Mixed mode, it's in the positive, in the negative reversal trend. Especially price action is uptrend, MACD, RSI, also oscillator, and the bearish reversal signal. And bearish divergences, remember, bearish divergences will bring Nvidia down. That's why Qs is so strong. It will bring all these high-tech companies, they will bring Qs down. Weekly time frame, it is still bullish. It's the same split, right? Yeah, Nvidia has split also. Unfortunately, yeah, the bull doesn't have good split reflection. Bullish trend on weekly time frame, it is bullish trend on weekly. No change. It should be about 200, but it's still bullish on all indicators. Still bullish. That's all. Let's do summary. Q's, the most strongest index. Let's start from dollar. Dollar just was down from the November, and it just recently changed direction to bullish. It gave us bullish reversal signal. If dollar will get stronger, it means it will be weaker for indexes, especially for Qs. But so far, Q is the strongest index. And I think because of the dollar, Qs can have some correction. Be ready for it. Especially Qs was pushed up by just few mega stocks. Other stocks below 50, MA 50. The other stocks negative except few mega stocks. That's why Qs is still strong on daily and weekly time frame, but it can have correction. Keep stop tight. And SPX and Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Dow Jones, they are weak on daily time frame. They are still positives. They are bullish, still bullish. On daily, they are getting bullish reversal signal. Bearish reversal signal. On weekly, they're still positive, but on daily, they're already negative. And the weakest index, it's Russell 2000. Russell 2000 below all moving averages on weekly, on daily time frames. It is negative bearish trend, and MA20 yellow line did bearish crossover, and now it's below 200. It is bearish territory for Russell 2000. That's all. Very simple. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please read it, and remember, for educational purpose we are using paper trading account. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, and weekly updates also for stocks, ETFs, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you.